Hi guys, welcome to our community Codeco. In this section, we are going to see C code for ASCII characters. So, if user given any characters or any special symbols for that characters or special symbols, we are going to print ASCII values or ASCII number. Okay. So first we will go through the program and I will explain everything. Okay. So first, what is the first line of the C program? Header file, right? So what is the header file? Hash include stdio.h. For what we are giving this for standard input and output, right? So what is the second step in C main function? So I am going to print integers at the end of the program, or I am going to get output integers from this program. So I am giving int main. Okay, so int main. So now I am going to start the program. So I am opening curly braces. So we will go through the program. So first I have to get a character from the user, right? So I am declaring a character here. So character, which is in short char C. So character C I have declared. So now I have to get input from the user, right? For what character he want to get an ASCII value. So I am asking, yeah. So I am asking the user to give the value. So printf enter the characters. Enter the character. So after getting the character, what we have to do? Have to address the character what you have given by the user, right? So I am using scanf. I am scanning now what I had given character percentage C. So now I had get the input from the user. What is the input he given or she given? Character, right? So I am using percentage C. So for percentage C I had taken. So I have to store the value, right? So I am using Amazon, which says the address. So address of C or Amazon of C. So I am saying that what I had taken from the user, I am going to store in C variable. What I had declared first, character C or char C. So I had done. So now we will use main code of this program. Okay, by using this printf. Okay, ASCII value of percentage C equal to percentage D, comma C. Yeah. So why I had given this? Why I had using C comma C, and why I had given percentage C equal to percentage D? Question yourself. Then you will able to get the answer. Why I had used this line? What is the meaning of this seventh line? And what is the meaning of this percentage C equal to percentage D? And what is the meaning of C comma C? So first we will go through that. Okay. What is percentage C here? Character given by the user. And what is percentage D? Integers, right? Percentage D represents integer. See, percentage D represent integer. So now what I had done here? See what I had done? Had assigned character to a integer. So what character given by the user I had assigned to an integer. So this first C represents for percentage C, which was given by the user input. This C represents the integer value which we had getting from the character. When I assign percentage c equal percentage d, this percentage c what he had given here. See, if he had given small a means, see, if he had given small as an integer means, here we are going to have a equal to percentage c is nothing but a, right? And what is percentage d? ASCII value of what is the ASCII value of a? Computer will know that. So it will print 95. I think so. I'm not saying exact 95. I think so. We will see. We'll run the program. We will see. And at the end, I am going to give return 0. Why? It's a success status. When I had given int main, I am going to give return 0. If we had not given this, some compilers will run and some compilers will not run. So it depends on the compiler whether we had given return 0 or not. It depends on the compiler, but it's better to give return 0 when you had used int. Okay, integer int represents the output of the program, entire program. Here int represents the output of the entire program. I'm going to print integer value at the end, right? So what I am printing 95, right? So now we will run the program and I will give a as an input character and we will see the output. So I am going about to run. See, it's asking enter a character. I am giving a small a. See, sorry, it's 97. Yeah, it's 97. So now, yeah, it's 97. So I will run and I will give 90. Sorry, I will give b. What is the ASCII value of b? 98, right? Alphabets will come in alphabetical order A, B, C, D, E, F, and so on. So after a b, definitely we will going to get b. So ASCII value of b is 98. So we will check whether it's 98 or not. See, it's 98. So how many times you run this program, it will show the ASCII value of the character which was given by the user. See, if I had given special symbol, see, I'm going to give dollar sign. See, it's showing 36. Why? The ASCII value of dollar sign is 36. That's it for the section, guys. We will see in another section.